Hello, hello, hello everybody. This is Kostas Albanidis, and I'm here today to show you something that it's a little bit confusing for everybody, for most of people working with technology and trying to build Windows 11 USB stick. So I'm gonna help you to this very simple and easy to follow procedure, showing you exactly the fastest and the simplest way to do so. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show you how to download and create the ISO. One way is to visit straight the normal procedure to go to Microsoft website and download the official ISO and create a USB stick. The point is that most of you might have an older computer or that it doesn't support TMP technology, or you don't want to create a Hotmail or Microsoft mail to enter Windows 11 or to install Windows 11 better. Because as you already know, if you want to install Windows, you're gonna have to use the original an original Microsoft account. So some of you you want to make some test, or you want to build a test computer. You don't want to go through all this procedure, or you just want to try something, a software or a game to a test computer. So you just need a fast and reliable and easy to use USB stick that with which one you're gonna be able to install Windows 11. Okay, let's go and see first how which is the best way to download the ISO. First of all, you're gonna need to come to this website. You see, this is the website. You come here and you come to the downloads. Here you can select one of the main builds. Those are original builds, but in fact they are built from scratch. You're gonna better choose the last one, or you can even choose one of the ones that we have already tested for this video. Okay, for this video we have downloaded, as you can see here, we have this version 22621. Okay, you can see here that this version is, just a moment, let me see, we can just search for the one that we that we tested. It's 22621. Sorry, 21. And here we have all the builds that we need. You see, they're not old builds. It's one of the latest, but because we did that with this video, I'm gonna show you to use the same one. You see, it's 1830, the last part, 1830. So this is the one, and we want this one, 64 technology. So you click to this one, and it takes you here. Here you can select the language that you want. You can find any language here. Okay, we're gonna leave the English, United States. We press next here, and here we can select which editions we want. I'm gonna leave it with Windows Home and Windows Pro. That it's the main one that usually somebody could use, or you could even select the rest of the other. Okay, we press next. And here we have three options. One is download UUP set, download and convert to ISO, and download add additions and convert to ISO. We leave the default here. You can even read a little bit more around here what's about each one of those. Options, but you can leave just the one that it says here, download and convert to ISO. You press create download package, and you're gonna download. Let me clean this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, and you download it, and you have it over here. Okay, because I have already downloaded, I have put it in this folder. And here you just extract the zip. In fact, this zip that you downloaded, it's just a little bit a small file. It's about 7 kilobytes. But inside this 7 kilobytes, you're gonna have those files. Here you have to run. Let me see here. Okay, here you're gonna have to run UUP download Windows, and you run like as a administrator. And after you run this file, you're gonna see this screen. You're gonna have to leave this procedure to finish. See, it starts, it downloads all the files, it prepares the ISO, and at the same time you see the procedure here, down here. So after it's over, you're gonna have the ISO build. Let's see at the moment what has been done. You're gonna see. Let me see if I can check it. Okay, after a while, as you can see, it's gonna take some time, and the script, it's gonna start here, as you can see, and create the image. You don't have to do anything special, you have just to wait. It takes a little bit time, and it depends on how fast is your internet connection. So you just have to wait to see to create the ISO for you. So as you can see here, there is an ISO folder. It's gonna create the ISO, and now we have even more files. So from this small file that I downloaded, as you can see, after a couple of hours, I have already about 8.79 gigabytes. So let's see, now it's almost over, and looks like it's over, and it's adding the apps. At the same time, we can check what else we're gonna need. One very important tool, it's Rufus. You have to download Rufus. That's the link. I'm gonna have it to this video, so that and you're gonna have it to the description too, so that you can download it. Let's see, Rufus. It's an easy to use program with which one you're gonna be able to create the bootable USB drive. So as you can understand, you're gonna need a USB drive that it should be bigger than 8 gigabytes to be able to add this ISO. And yeah, I would propose to use a 16 gigabyte drive. It's a cheap choice, and you're gonna have the ability to have a successful bootable USB disk, USB stick maybe. So as you can see here, with this program we can create USB installation media, and sometimes it says that we need to flash a BIOS or other firmware from DOS. This is a special condition, but this tool, it can be used to do something like that if we want to not to update the BIOS through the Windows or straight from the BIOS. But we can check that to another video. To this one, I'm gonna show you that from here you can download the latest version from Rufus. I want you to be careful, because this procedure it's gonna work with Windows 10 or 11 if you want to use Rufus 4.1, because the latest version of Rufus that is going to work with Windows 7, it's Rufus 3.20. So we're going to download the latest version. In fact, I have done that, and I have it somewhere here. You see, this is Rufus. Let's take it and put it. Okay, everybody. Let's see the rest of the procedure. After we have created the ISO, with the way that I showed you, to download the files and put the script to do all the job for you to create the ISO, you can write the ISO to a USB stick, or you could just download straight from Microsoft the main Windows 11 ISO. The next and final step is to get a USB stick to one of your and connect it to one of your ports, USB ports, and open Rufus. Rufus, it's gonna wait to select the ISO. Okay, let's select the ISO, because now we have no USB connected. Just don't want to connect the USB. Okay, now we're ready. We connected a USB to the computer. Let's see. Okay, so now we select from here. We can select one that we can try the one that we downloaded. It's the last one. It's 2. We can select it. Now we select the standard Windows installation, and here, because we're going to use it to an older computer, but we can use it even to a more to a newer computer. We select MBR. Okay. We don't touch anything here. We can give a name to the volume of the USB. I'm gonna name it Win 11. Okay. And now we are ready. We press start, and now we see that we have the Windows user experience. Careful. You're gonna see this dialog only if you're using Windows 10 or 11 to prepare the ISO and to prepare the USB stick, not to Windows 7 or to Windows 8. You're gonna see this this dialog. So here we select remove requirements for 4 GB RAM and secure boot and TPM. That's for the newer computers that they have the brand new BIOS technology. So we're gonna be able to install Windows 11 to older PCs. Remove requirements for an online Microsoft account. We're not obligated to create a Microsoft account during the installation. It's gonna create a local account with username user. Set regional options to same values as these users. Disable data collection. Skip privacy questions. That's all the questions that we have to a normal Windows 11 installation. Disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. That's what happens by default when you install Windows 11 to a computer. We select, we press OK, and now we have the normal procedure and the warning that all our data is going to be erased from this USB stick. We already know that, so we press OK, and as you can see, the procedure is starting. That's going to take a while to complete. So when this is complete, you have a ready to go USB stick to install your Windows 11 to any computer. I hope this video was useful and informative. And if you have any questions, you can write it down to the comments, and I'm gonna try to answer all of them. Wish you the best to your project, and goodbye.